What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. In this video I will be going over how to get traffic to your done for you websites. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe and also click that bell so you be the first to know once I upload videos on how to make money from home. So here in my back office of $25.1Up, if you don't know about $25.1Up, check out this video above. This particular video is a marketing training video that you could use and apply to your business and get some results. Okay, so here in my back office, once you become a member, you will be able to have access to show you. So one of the first things that you'll want to do is come over to your gold level products and come to your pre-written ads and more. So the main focus when it comes to making money with $25.1Up is marketing this system effectively, which means you have to get this in the eyes of people and you have to know it's a numbers game. So here are pre-written ads that you could use to draw attention to your profile, draw attention to your opportunity, your digital products where you earn those 100% instant commissions. So you may be a beginner, or you may just don't know what to post. You could come here, grab these pre-written ads, put them on your social media, Facebook, YouTube, put them on your Facebook, Instagram, your LinkedIn, because you know all of these platforms are the same. Once you draw attention, guys, that buzzes, that gets other people, you know, asking for more information. They turn into leads, which turn into sales. So you could use all of these here, get some really good results with them. They're proven, they're testing, they're tested, and they actually do work. Or you could freestyle, come up with your own content. Make sure that you're, posting pictures daily. That's one of the things that you get when you come here to the diamond level, okay? And the diamond level will show you this digital marketing lifestyle training. This is another reason why you should be a part of this system, because you need everything that's inside of here, inside the system, to make money. But to get back focused, guys, what we're going to do is come over here to resources, and we're going to go to the system resources, and what we do is come to the resources in the system, and we're going to scroll all the way down. And what we're going to do is click here to access hot Facebook groups. If you don't know about Facebook groups, come here on Facebook and join different groups. You see this extra income online. This is a group that people post in, and people, promote their opportunities. You can promote $25.1Up or any other opportunity that you may have. Here is where you could post. Look at this. People are just posting what they want other people to see, and here is where you could post those pre-written ads that I just showed you guys. You could take those ads, post them here, and get people asking for more info. So let me come back to the system and show you what $25.1Up has to offer. Okay, what they have to offer is multiple Facebook groups that are buzzing, that works, that you could use those ads and post in and get results. So all you have to do is click on them and join the group. It'll bring you to the group, and you could just click join group, and once you join the group, you'll be able to post in it and see the different posts that everybody else have inside of the group. But what you want to do is make sure the groups that you join, guys, is up to date, and actually people are still posting in it, because you don't want to post in a dead group. Now, as you can see by now, guys, all it comes down to is marketing and getting leads. So my next thing that I want to share with you is my lead generation system. Okay, this allows you to get 100 leads a day guaranteed. Okay, so this is what's been going on here. This is kind of an update. I will be doing another video soon on this system, but this is what I use to promote $25.1Up online businesses. I promote here. As you can see, 9,000 leads. So I have a 9,000 total email list of people that I can send out, my offers to with one click of a button. 1,300 plus people open it, and you can see how many people clicked it. And guys, this is very powerful, because I could send my $25.1Up done for you email swipe. I could send it to 9,000 people which I did here. You can also add your YouTube channel links and get 100 leads a day. So let me scroll up. So I got 100 leads today, 200 leads yesterday, and I also got bonus leads. So this is a total of 400 leads just in 2 days, guys. So 200 leads a day. Once you refer other people, you also get a $5 commission, and you also get a $100 bonus once you refer 5 people. So it also comes with a conversation plan. Is a good system to have. I will put the link below. You can go ahead, check it out. And the next thing I want to talk about, guys, is lead lightning. I highly recommend that you look into this. I will put the link below to this as well, below in the description box. You can get started with nothing but $7, no monthly fees. And what this does is show you how to get leads. It comes with training and everything. And all you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps, and it gives you a done for you website. All you have to do is drive traffic. They do all of the work for you, and you can start earning commissions as well with this. But also you could use this to promote your business. All right, this is a form of showing you how easy it is to make money online, because you get $6 commissions for each person that you can bring into this system right here, which is only $7 to get started. Not bad at all. People are making thousands of dollars with this system alone. It's really My Lead Sales Pro. This is the silver level. This is one of the levels of My Lead Sales Pro. So when you come in at the silver or the gold level, you get access to this endless free leads. Okay, you get access to this. Now what this does is gives you the step-by-step, guys, routine on what to do, on how to get massive leads to your business. And what I'm doing is using this right now, and I'm getting results just by using the step-by-step. It's like literally telling you what to post on your Facebook pages, on your LinkedIn. It just got a lot of in-depth training that comes with this system. So like I said, the link will be below to this lead lightning, guys. $7 you can get started with it. It's lunch money. You could get started, start making money with this, and using this and implementing it with any online business. So guys, it's just getting traffic to your website. Okay, getting leads. You need leads daily in order to make daily commissions. So just focus on create you a daily routine. Focus on activity. Don't so much focus on the sales. Don't so much focus on not getting results, but you have to learn how to be consistent. You have to learn how to do things every single day. Getting results or not, whether it's good or bad, you just take it and you just learn from it, and you just keep going forward. So if you like this content, if this training was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and also click that notification bell. Other than that, I'm out.